सो मैं जब इंडिया से दुबई आया 2021 में, लाइक लाइफ वाज प्रीटी मच सेट इन इंडिया. Everything was running fine, my companies were running fine, life was good, everything was sorted. But still I took a big risk of changing the country altogether, which no one does. Normally people don't even change their town or state. मैंने सीधा country change कर दिया, and that was not from any job or anything. It was solely on me. It was completely on me. If I had to fail, I will fail. I will go back to zero. I will go back to negative, something like that. But still, I took the risk and moved all the way from India to Dubai in 2021. And when I came, I did not bring a single rupee from India. So I thought कि चलो ठीक है, इस बार एक नया चैलेंज लेते हैं, because it was like I have been working for so many years, for the past 19 years. So मैंने सोचा चलो ठीक है, एक चैलेंज जीरो से स्टार्ट करने के लिए एक बार लेते हैं. So anything that happens we will see, but let's start from zero. So दुबई से हम इंडिया आए, and I always wanted to get a Porsche, but in India I couldn't get it because, like, of course, for roads, anyone who has watched my videos for the past so many years, they would have already seen I bought my G-Wagon, sold it, bought my Z4, sold it. It was really not making sense, and there are so many reasons. I don't want to tell you about those reasons, you already know about it. So the first thing when I came to Dubai, the very first thing for me was setting everything first, getting all of my clients to inform that I have already moved to Dubai. Now all of the billing will be from Dubai, and that is how it was. So the first challenge was कि चलो ठीक है, I'm gonna start from zero. Second challenge which I gave to myself was I'm gonna order a Porsche Taycan, and I'm going to sit on my computer and sit on one of my company. I'm going to explain more in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So I had decided कि Porsche I'm gonna buy here in Dubai, and I'm gonna do it myself all the way from zero by starting the account all the way from zero without any extra help, without picking the money from any of my other companies. I'm going to do it myself by doing it all the way from zero, and let's see how much time it takes. So I went to the showroom, took a test drive, and they quoted me somewhere close to 1.6 crores, 1.5 crores, something like that, including tax, insurance, everything like that. So 1.6 crores or something. तो मैंने सोचा चलो ठीक है, 1.6 crores अभी हमें बनाना है, कितना टाइम लगता है देखते हैं. They told me the car is gonna take close to 6 or 7 months to get delivered. So I only had 6 months to make 1.6 crores. तो मैंने चला ठीक है, चलो जीरो से स्टार्ट करेंगे, एंड कैसे भी करके तो इस बार करें, because the car is gonna come, and before that I need to make sure the payment is completely ready. So I sat on my company, the SBK store. जिनको SBK store के बारे में मालूम नहीं, SBK store is right now 12 years old. So that is the first biggest online store for super bikes, accessories, safety gear, and stuff in India, which was started in 2014 by me. So it was the first biggest store. तब इतने बड़ा कोई भी store इतना बड़ा नहीं था, which was actually dedicatedly doing only for super bike accessories and gears. I think we were the first one to do it dedicatedly, and I was the one who was actually handling all the sales, orders, import, taxes, everything end to end myself, because no one in my team was actually having the complete knowledge about bikes and super bikes, stuff, gears. So since I had the full knowledge, तो मैंने उसे start किया था, because I had found a problem. जब मैंने मेरा first bike खरीदा था 2012 में, it was the Harley 48. After that I had got the Harley Davidson Night Rod as well. तो मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम इंडिया में देखा था कि there are no proper stores who are actually helping people to buy the right gears, safety gears, right bike accessories, anything like that. Everyone was more like just for the sake of selling it, they were selling it, but they were actually not selling it with a point of actually helping the customer. So that was a big gap. So मैंने सोचा इसको ही अपन solve करेंगे, and we are going to see how much time it's gonna take. And by then I think my IT company was probably around 6 years old. So we had really very good knowledge about SEO, marketing, everything like that. And back then Google was right at the top peak, I would say. तब तो social media इतना active नहीं था, Meta ads, those ads इतना नहीं था, AdWords था, but I was not using AdWords. I think we have never used, not even a single time we have used any paid ads for our store. It has always been organic. So for my job was making the website so good, making the search engine optimized content so good that customers will automatically land to our store. And since 2014 we have been getting so many clients on our WhatsApp. I believe मिनिमम 4 या 5 लाख मैसेजेस तो हमारे ओनली व्हाट्सएप में ही होगा, जिसको हम बैकअप भी आज के डेट में नहीं रख पाते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. सो SBK Store was started in 2014 and my only agenda was to help people with the right gear, because I personally always try to get into those businesses where the profit margins are really high and I'm not dealing with cheap customers. I really hate giving cheap customers, but because for me cheap is not good, good is not cheap. That is how it is. That is how I personally see. Cheap is not good, good is not cheap. If something is cheap, I'm not going to get into it. So for me it has always been get into some kind of business where you really have those hefty margins when you are giving your time. For example, I will give you one example. Let's say someone is going to buy helmets to a store. The store is not going to help them anything about it. They can just show you the designs or sizes कि ये है, आप कोई भी एक ले लो and जो आपके बजट में है ले लो. But when a customer comes to us, I normally talk, whenever it's me who is actually closing the sale, I normally talk exactly something like this, like what bike do you ride? Do you ride very fast or are you a calm driver? And what is your budget? Have you ever invested in a very nice helmet, something like that? Do you know anything about like semi polycarbonate or carbon fiber, anything like that? I normally get all those questions before I actually suggest them the right model. This is the reason why we had so many customers for so many years, because they know when he is going to handle his sell, then they don't need to go anywhere else. They are going to have the right product immediately. This is basically was the main agenda, and this is exactly how we have been running our store for so many years. Of course, I was the one who was actually handling all the sales, orders, everything for at least first 5-6 years. For the past 5 years since I moved to Dubai, my team is handling it. But still, whenever there is a big order, I am the one who is personally chipping into the order, chipping into the client, talking to the client and closing the deal, closing the payments, everything like that. Unless there is a small order, my team is handling. If it's a really big order, I am the one who is actually handling it. So this is basically how it works. We normally always try to get into some kind of business which is actually solving people for the rich people's problem, and actually there is good margins and you can actually justify spending your time. अगर आपका time आप justify नहीं कर पा रहे हो, it makes no sense. Probably for some it may make sense, but for me it never makes sense to get into anything that is very cheap, dealing with cheap customers. Like for me it doesn't make sense. For others I don't know, for me it never makes sense. So जब हम लोग दुबई आए तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो ठीक है, SBK स्टोर पे I'm going to sit for at least 6 months all again, same like I was doing in 2014, and let's see how much time it's gonna take to make that number of sales. And by then we had already moved our SBK store billing and everything to one of our US company. So everything, billing, orders, everything goes to the US, then the orders get delivered from the Europe. We have a very complex supply chain, complex order process, everything like that. So for all of those stuff I would be teaching in our drop shipping course whenever I plan to launch. उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे में दे दिया है, आप जाके फ्री में रजिस्टर कर सकते हो in case if you're interested. Those are only for high value drop shipping, not those cheap drop shipping. Only for people who really have the guts to get into high value drop shipping, same like what we do. Everything I would be teaching inside that. Link मैंने नीचे में दे दिया है, you can just go ahead and check. So for me, I had decided कि चलो ठीक है, now I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna get the job done. And let's see how much time it's gonna take. And every day I was in my room. We were staying in a 2-bedroom apartment when we moved to Dubai. In my room, I had a white sheet from IKEA. There I had written, I think 582k AED, and I had written 1.6 crores, something like this. And every day, whenever we had orders, I was actually debiting the orders buy value, cost price, and the margin, and I was doing negative. Like today if it's 1 lakh, then 1.6 crores minus 1 lakh. Tomorrow if it's 2 lakhs, then minus 2 lakhs, something like this. I kept on writing every day. I used to update it, and it was such a good experience. I always wanted to document that journey as well, but I was just so bloody busy responding to customers day and night. It was really not making sense. And अगर आपको याद भी होगा, in 2021-22 My videos frequency had also went down because I was not getting time to make the video. I was just so busy dealing with the customers and closing the orders. It was really very difficult for me to make the videos, but still I believe I was making in a week maybe one video. But yeah, I mean, for 2021 and 22 I was really very busy with business, so I was not getting time to make videos. But फिर भी I was uploading few videos. People who have been following, they already know the challenge. They already know the whole process because I always keep on updating on videos, Instagram stories, something like this. So वैसे ही करके मैं हर दिन लिखता था कि आज 5 ऑर्डर आए, इतना हो गया मार्जिन है आज का, यहाँ हो गया, यहाँ का हो गया, ऐसे कर करके कैसे कर करके we had the timeline for 6 months. That 6 months we have to get the 1.6 crores sorted. I think it took me 4 months, something like that. I don't remember exactly. Within 4 months, we had closed the whole, and I transferred the whole money to Abu Dhabi Porsche. Told them the money is ready. Transfer the whole money. Asked them when the car is gonna be ready. They said car is gonna be coming. It's already in the ship. It will be coming before time. Instead of 9 months, you are going to get it within 6 months. I think that my car had got delivered on 2022 August, something like that, and I had started working full time on SBK store from somewhere around Jan or Feb 2022, something like that. I don't remember, but yeah, something like that. So this is basically how I do it, and this is basically how I would suggest everyone to do it as well. If you really want something, you need to set your goals right, you need to set your priorities right. For me, I always try to challenge myself. Like I always keep on saying on Instagram, आपने देखा होगा, main maths is earn money, spend it on really expensive stuff so that it keeps you motivated to make more money. For example, I have paid huge money for my G63, Ferrari, GT3 RS, M1000 RR. Why? The reason is those are the things which makes me. It's not about showing off or flexing. I don't have time to show off or flex. It's about things what I personally love driving. I personally love engines. I personally love cars, bikes. It's not about showing off, because showing off, it's not going to make any money for me. Because for me, my services and products are very expensive, like SBK store, the consulting, everything is so expensive. People who do not have budget of $100 also, do you think they are going to see my cars or bikes or buy something from me? No, of course not. So it's not about show off or flex. It's about things what I personally love, I personally enjoy, I personally respect the machines. So I always try to set similar kind of goals all the time, that whenever I have to get something done, then I'm gonna sit whole time on any of my company. Like I have got multiple companies, I'm gonna decide which company I'm going to spend my next 5 or 6 months time on and make the money and pay for it. For example, the GT3 RS story is also very funny, but this story probably I will upload someday later. G63 story is also quite funny. I will upload about it sometime later. I really wanted to talk about the Taycan story because I don't know how come I missed this video. This video was actually decided to put it public before like 2 years. I don't know how did I miss. Today only when I checked my Notion, मेरे को दिखा कि ये वाला वीडियो तो मैंने बनाया ही नहीं है, ये वाला वीडियो तो मैंने लाइव ही नहीं किया. So I had to just sit and talk about it today. So that is basically how it works. Whenever you really need something, you don't have to go through that loan route, scam, fraud, kisse paisa मांगना. You need to see what you can do yourself and really what you have the capability on. It's not that I'm not saying that everyone is capable of making such big money. Until unless you have a mode, until unless you have audience, until unless you have customers, you're not going to make it. And of course, customers, mode, all this are not going to happen in one day. For us, it has taken so many years. I have been working for 19 years. SBK Store is now 14 years. JetSpot is now 12 years. Photozen is now 16 years. Like QSys is now 19 years. Fucking, there have been so many years. You are seeing the results now on Instagram or YouTube, but everything has taken so much of time. Itna zyada time lag gaya, just because we have never give up. All we do is we set small goals. We don't think about like millions and billions and all those bullshit. I simply set very simple, specific slots. For example, right now, I think I have to spend close to 60 lakhs on one thing, and I don't really want to get it from my bank account or any of my wallets or anything like that. I want to earn it from one of my company and then spend on it. Then you feel like, yes, you have rewarded yourself. So whenever you're buying something, it should make you feel that you are rewarding yourself, because you are the one who is paying for it. If you're just paying it from your emergency funds or banks or anything like that, it will be more like you're just paying for it. But when you're actually earning it with new money and paying for it feels more good. Like you feel, okay, I've earned it, I'm going to reward it to myself, and I'm going to love it. And this is basically how it works. This is basically how I do it. I'm not sure how you guys do it, but this is basically how I personally do it, and I would always suggest everyone to do the same. अगर आपको कुछ भी life में चाहिए, it can be anything small or big, try to set that as a goal, put it in front of your bed or room or door, anywhere where it's actually visible, that goal is visible, and keep on working every day and keep on writing the data, figures, everything like that. For me, data, figures, journaling, all those matters a lot. I personally always make sure everything, whatever I'm doing, everything is on records. I have the stats, I have the figures. So I know that, okay, if I have decided this and I'm gonna make this, how much time it's gonna take, how much energy I'm gonna put in, how much resources I have to put in, and when it's getting done. This is basically how it works for me. Hopefully you loved the video about it, and that is exactly how we had paid for the Porsche Taycan when I had bought it in 2022. I had taken the delivery in August 2022. So if you guys want to know the detailed story about how we made the money for the GT3 RS and Ferrari 296 as well, probably uska bhi we can make a video. But if this video is getting close to uh, 10,000 likes or something like that, then only I'm going to make those two videos, because those videos are like all those videos are business videos, don't get a lot of views, and if they doesn't get a lot of views, it just makes me like, it doesn't make me feel good to make all those detailed videos. So let's see if this video gets to at least 10,000 likes. Probably I will make the detailed video about the GT3 RS, how it was paid, and the Ferrari 296, how it was paid. And anyone who is looking to join the high value dropshipping course, uska free wala link abhi ke liye niche mein hai. For now I'm only going to take the free interests to see how many people are actually interested. If there are really very good number of people interested, because this course is going to be expensive, it's not going to be cheap. This is not about cheap dropshipping. It's going to be exactly how we run our SBK store as a company for the past 14 years. I'm going to cover everything end to end in that course. It's going to be expensive, but for now you can just register free. Link is below in the video description.